Mortadella, an extremely popular and flavorful food. It's enjoyed in many countries around the world, and it is especially beloved here in Brazil. With its soft texture and unique taste, it is often used in sandwiches, appetizers, and even main dishes. It's offering a delicious and versatile gastronomic experience. But have you ever wondered how mortadella is made? In this video, we will take a detailed look at the fascinating production process of this product. So, loved by many, mortadella is a type of cured meat originating from Italy. Its history dates back to ancient Rome, where it was made with a mixture of pork, fat, and spices. Over the centuries, the recipe evolved and adapted to different regions of Italy. During the Middle Ages, mortadella became popular as a practical and long-lasting food, widely consumed by people from various social classes. It is believed that the name mortadella comes from a Latin word referring to a container, used to grind meat in the 19th century. With the arrival of Italian immigrants in Brazil, mortadella was introduced into the country. It became a characteristic element of São Paulo cuisine, especially in the city of São Paulo, where it is still widely consumed today. The mortadella production process involves several careful steps that ensure its quality and flavor. Everything begins with the selection of meats. Usually, pork, beef, and chicken are used, depending on the brand and type of mortadella. In addition, fats are added to give the product its special taste, ensuring juiciness and palatability. Next comes the grinding stage. The meats and fats are carefully ground in a specialized grinder. The grind may vary depending on the desired type of mortadella. Some varieties have a finer grind, while others maintain a coarser texture with visible fat pieces, offering a unique sensory experience when eaten. After grinding, it's time to season the meat-fat mixture. At this stage, selected spices are added to enhance the flavor of the mortadella. Common ingredients include salt, pepper, garlic, nutmeg, and various other seasonings depending on the specific recipe. Mixing the spices ensures an even distribution of flavor throughout the entire mortadella. Create a smooth and consistent texture. The ground meat is emulsified. This process involves vigorously mixing the meat with the previously added spices. Emulsification helps achieve a uniform, soft consistency, making the mortadella even more appealing to the palate. The resulting mixture is then stuffed into a casing, which may be natural or artificial depending on local preferences and traditions. The chosen casing is carefully positioned in a specialized machine that allows controlled filling of the mixture. After stuffing, the mortadella undergoes cooking or smoking. In the cooking process, the stuffed pieces are placed in ovens or autoclaves where they are cooked at controlled temperatures until they reach the proper doneness. In the smoking process, mortadella is exposed to wood smoke, giving it a distinctive and attractive flavor appreciated by fans of this delicacy. After cooking or smoking, the mortadella is quickly cooled to prevent the growth of unwanted bacteria. It is then carefully packaged and stored under proper temperature and humidity conditions to maintain its freshness and quality.